Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the Checkmarx server, API token, and access rights are ready. Connect your repo to the Checkmarx project. Once done, choose a scan preset that matches language and policy. Run a quick incremental scan to validate connectivity and reduce noise, and make sure your CI agent has the CLI or plugin installed. If authentication fails, reissue the token and confirm network access. This gets you an initial report fast, so you can move into detailed triage. You now run a full SaaS scan with custom queries and taint flow rules to catch complex vulnerabilities. Once started, monitor memory and timeout settings so scans complete reliably. After the report generates, use the Checkmarx dashboard to map each finding to specific files and code paths, and prioritize by severity and exploitability. Make sure to merge IST or SCA results if available to reduce false positives. Use the suppression and comment features to document any accepted risk for future runs. You finish by assigning remediation tasks with clear steps, suggested fixes, and code snippets directly from Checkmarx to speed developer work. Once developers push fixes, run incremental rescans to verify the issues are resolved and confirm no regressions. Make sure your CI triggers the scan automatically. Use the analytics to track open vs fixed counts and adjust rules if many false positives appear. If scans fail or results look inconsistent, enable debug logging on the scan client, reproduce locally, then.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.